Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Jimmy Wong here. I'm a former data science leader from LinkedIn and now a business coach helping individuals and businesses thrive in the new age of AI. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 valuable skills you need to future-proof your career. For a deeper dive into these skills, check out my detailed article linked to this video. In my recent article titled Top 5 Valuable Skills to Future-Proof Your Career, I've studied the latest research on what employers say they need from employees for the top skills of the future. As AI advances, these skills become crucial for unlocking opportunities in your career or business. You will want to select skills that stand the test of time, prioritizing activities that compound exponentially. In a world of constant change, timeless human skills such as communication and leadership remain super valuable. I've studied the latest research from reports like the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs report and IBM's Augmented Work for an Automated AI-Driven World report and Amazon's Accelerating AI Skills report. It's clear that as AI advances, employers want people to have more people skills that AI cannot provide. We need humans to be better humans, utilizing their full soft skills as AI capabilities increase. Now, let's explore the top 5 in-demand skills to learn this year that AI cannot replace. Number 1, prioritization skills. We're always going to be limited by resources and time. Businesses will always need people to prioritize effectively at all levels of the business. What projects to fund? What budgets to slash? What should I work on today? AI will give all of us more choices. The people who can prioritize the best choices will be highly valuable in any organization. Number 2, leadership and teamwork skills. Leadership isn't just for those with a manager title. Building trust, influencing, and collaborating with other people are key. Authenticity matters. These human-centric EQ skills cannot be replaced by AI. Number 3, communication skills. Amplify your impact by improving your communication abilities. This includes writing and speaking, listening, and empathizing. Even with AI uplifting the average level content for everyone, skilled communicators will still be needed to help businesses to rise above the noise. Number 4, analytics and critical thinking skills. In a data-driven world, businesses need people who can get actionable insights from the growing volumes of data and make smart business decisions. Combine this with your other skills to drive optimal business outcomes. And number 5, agility and creativity skills. Adaptability is key in a rapidly changing world. Employers value those who embrace continuous learning and can lead during times of rapid innovation and rapid chaos. Be ready to take on new roles and technologies frequently. Reflecting on my personal experience from the late 1990s to now, I've seen new technologies get obsoleted by even newer technologies. I started off learning Perl and PHP for web development. Those got replaced by JavaScript and Python and then no-code tools. Nowadays, AI tools like ChatGPT and Copilot have transformed programming to simply giving natural language prompts. Many of the technical skills I learned earlier in my career are no longer directly useful. On the other hand, leadership and communication skills that I gained throughout my career have continued to remain useful and even more critical over time as AI takes on highly technical work. To stay relevant, grow your skills, but pick the right skills that will be useful for your lifetime. With AI handling technical tasks, humans need to become better humans, utilizing their full soft skills. For more details and reasoning for the strategy that I'm giving you, check out my full article linked below. If you found this information valuable, please like this content and subscribe for more tips to thrive in the age of AI. Thanks for watching.